Today we will be doing a volcano experiment. In this experiment, we will be showing you how the pressure gets built up in the magma chamber and how it erupts.
The things that you need for the experiment are baking soda, 2 glasses, vinegar, food coloring, a tray, rocks and leaves,
And dish soap.
And if you want to put animals in there, you can. You could do it like ours, or you don't have to put animals in the tray.
So let's start the experiment. The first thing you're gonna want to do is take 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Okay, and you can now remove the funnel as this is not needed anymore. So just a few drops of dish soap. There, that's good. Now the reason why we're adding the dish soap is because whenever we add the vinegar, we want our lava to be more foamy and stuff. So that's why. To look more fancy, you can add 2 different food colors. So I'm using red and Susan pink.
Actually, that's orange. This is red.
Okay, and the reason why we are adding food color is to make it more visible. Next, you're going to want to add a 1/4 cup of vinegar. That's good. Right?
Let's add this vinegar into our cup.
Oh shoot!
Wow.
Whoa.
This is, well,
The reason why this exploded is because when vinegar and baking powder, whenever they meet together, they create a carbon dioxide, and when this happens, this therefore explodes the stuff. And then the reason why it's all foamy and stuff is because we added the dish soap. Thanks for watching, and we see you guys next time.
but like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.